So as you can see, guys, in order for the horn to work, I had to get this carbon paint from the dealer. As you can see, let me take it out of the package real quick. A second. Okay. Alright, this is how it looks. Like this. It has an end right here on a connector, but I'm taking that out. I'm cutting the wire right there in the middle. I'm gonna show you guys when I have it on. So as you can see, there's the connection of the wire. Sorry for the bad lighting. Right there. Just put in the little hole that you have right there. Now you can see right there, it's making contact with the slip ring right there. So now the horn is gonna work. As you can see, guys, the horn is actually working. You're gonna see. Just give me a second. Sorry for the bad lighting. I'm doing this while my father is in an appointment over here at the doctor. You know, taking advantage of time. As you can see, it works. It works perfectly fine. You see? Yep. Now I just gotta put some tape around that wiring down there and put the cover back on, and that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Thank you, so you can see more videos of same content.